What's up, YouTube? I'm back. So I gotta say, I'm back. It's been like 2 months, but we back. I'm finna be consistent and we finna brand it up. But look what we have here, man. I ain't gonna lie. I listened to the album already. Shit was fire. I had to listen to it like 2 or 3 times to like really fuck with it. But it was hard as hell. But this is like my favorite rapper at the time right now, I ain't gonna lie. And I already know the words to this song, so yeah. We finna react to this though. Let's get into it.
Right. Yeah, that shit sound wavy, kid. All this water by a boat first. Bitch by a boat. Hey, yeah. All this water by a boat, yeah. Ice cold in a Montclair coat, yeah. Let the dice roll, then I pick up all the dope, yeah. Thank the Lord I get 10,000 for a show. Thank the Lord I didn't have to say that's not my hoe. Ay, and she love when I put my hands around her throat. Made her leave a nigga now, I don't care what it was. Lean in her apple juice like what's a something for it, yeah. I was hanging with my scud, he just like my blood, yeah. I was breaking down a bud, free my blood a bud. We was on kindly from Cleveland to meet the plug, yeah. All my life I wanted to be the plug.
Hey, bruh said he got lost his head in that shit. That shit go. What type of head was it? That shit was probably some designer shit too, bro. I know he was mad.
With my scud, he just like my blood, yeah. I was breaking down a bud, free my blood a bud. We was on kindly from Cleveland to meet the plug, yeah. All my life I wanted to be the plug. It's so much money coming in, now my feet is up. Me and trauma, leave you in a trauma unit needing blood. Who's that Benny Hunter? When I'm done, I'm gon' eat this bitch like Jeffrey Dahmer. Said my old bitch, fuck the nigga, I just called it karma. Back throw the boss on summer, shady baby, just like Gunner. Yeah, 180 slime, don't play with me, play with your mama. Yeah, don't make me.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that's my favorite. Nah, I wouldn't say that's my favorite bar in the song, but like that's one of my favorite lines in the song.
Said my old bitch, fuck the nigga, I just called it karma. Back throw the boss on summer, shady baby, just like Gunner. Yeah, 180 slime, don't play with me.
Yeah. I ain't been here since YSL got locked up, but free YSL, man. This the hardest nigga out of YSL right now, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, with your mom, don't make me up it, slime. Take off his legs, need crutches now. She sucking me in public now. Pole walking, double cup it now. I already know this bitch gon' drive me crazy, slime. Hey, I just popped 2 Percocets, then laid it down. Hey, these niggas don't talk crazy, cause they K's in town. Hey, all I know is I fucked the raw and she went crazy, slime. And when we done, she look at me like you crazy, slime. Hey, I was serving J's, I saved the dime. Hey, give me 30 days and I'll be right back down. That mean I'm up again, I up a beam. I fucked her once, then fucked her friend. She already know she drive me crazy, slime. And when I bought that double, I know she went crazy, slime. She used my Tom Ford shirts as her sleeping gown. I told that bitch to quit her job so she could sleep in now. You know the house so fucking big, they wanna peek in now. Go, I just tell her go, go, bitch, go. Yeah, you get 6 for 4. I still got that shit for low. Big bad don't go kick her dough. It's that Cali shit, this not dro. She already know she drive me
cap, this that Cali shit, it's not dro, man. We only smoking Cali shit.
And I popped the Percocet and laid it down. Percocet, she pop 1 and she go brazy, slime. Go, I just tell her go. I just tell her go, 4. I just tell her pop 1 and she go brazy, slime. Go, I just tell her go. I just tell her go, 4.
Hey, but that's that Bible. I ain't gonna lie. On the album, this the one, bro. This the one. It's either this one or what ain't it? It's not no either, but it's that one. I fuck with Dior Store too. Dior Store crazy and dramatic one of them ones too. All them bitches go crazy though, but y'all go run that shit up. That was by a boat by that boy CEO Trayle. Y'all go run that up. Let me know what I should react to in the comments. And we out here on that ballot shit.